I'm mic'd up.
We're at Overland Expo in the Nomad Kitchen company, and this is a truly interesting product. And Sam, right?
Yes.
If you can introduce yourself and tell us more about the Nomad Kitchen company and what you have today.
Of course. My name's Sam. I'm the founder of Nomad Kitchen Co. And today at Overland Expo PNW, we've got our 3 product series here. We pretty much have small, medium, and truck. Small with our Nano here fits pretty much any vehicle from like Crosstrek, Prius, Renegade to smaller vehicles, but also fits in things larger. Our original series is kind of just the general any SUV, and then truck is for trucks and vans or anything with like 5 foot or longer bed. All of our systems are modular, pre-constructed, easy to install, and super lightweight. Our entire concept is you don't have to modify your vehicle. You just drop it in when you need it. You can take it out when you don't. All of our kitchens and drawers are stackable or can be mounted side by side. Or if you have like a full-size truck, you can split them up and have like a pass-through in between. All of our kitchens come with wash basins, cutting boards, spots for a 2-burner stove, and have plenty of ample storage space as well, and some beefy, nice bamboo cutting boards. We use a strap mounting system that attaches directly to the existing D-rings in your vehicle. And we use a super high quality birch construction on all of our products. The LT, our truck system, is also coated in a bed liner. We can go check that out as well. But everything is kind of a modular setup. Pick and choose how you want. You can just order one item at a time, or you can go. We also offer like kitchen and drawer bundles at a slight discount that come with stove, water system, tool roll, and a bunch of packing cubes as well. So you can kind of pick and choose how you want to lay it out. And amongst our 3 systems, we can outfit any vehicle.
If they needed to get in touch with you as far as a website.
Of course. So we're nomadkitchenco.com. Also at Nomad Kitchen Co. on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube. And we've got a bunch of information on there, lots of videos, and hopefully our website's easy to follow. But yeah, reach out if you got any questions or come visit us at the show.
As far as the price point for your 3 models, what are the starting price points of?
Yeah, so for the kitchens alone, the Nano, it starts at $999, the original at $1249, and the LT at $1499. Drawers range from $500 to $1250 in that same array. And then our bundles are from like just around $2,000 to $3,600, depending on the system. But yeah, so starting price for kitchen $999, and then you can spend almost $4,000 if you want.
See, that's amazing. Out. No vehicle modifications needed for these kitchens. A lead time, build out lead time would be?
We try and get orders out within a week, but it's all dependent on the season and our queue. But right now, we're about a week or 2 at most to get to your door, and everything ships fully assembled, and it comes right to your door. You don't have to deal with like freight shipping or anything. It comes in like a protected box, and you can install it yourself. You don't have to go to an outfitter. You don't have to go to like a custom builder. So you can kind of customize it to a point, but you don't have to pay custom build price.
Is it delivered fully assembled, or is there some assembly required?
Delivered fully assembled. The only thing you have to add is the strap guides, which use a Phillips head screwdriver.
I see.
And that's just depending on your layout. So the reason it's a separate piece is if you want to stack it or flip the sides, it just has a different spot. But very detailed instructions come along, so it's pretty simple. No one ever really seems to have any problem with it. So that's our hope. You do it yourself. You don't have to worry too much. You don't have to spend a ton of money on just labor to get installed.
So Nomad Kitchen Company. That website again, please.
nomadkitchenco.com.
Nomad. Thank you very much.
Of course. Thank you. Yeah, go ahead.